In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently return an item to Shein. Sometimes an order just doesn't meet your expectations, and that's perfectly okay. Returning a product can seem daunting, but by following these steps, you'll see that it's actually quite straightforward. To start with, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Shein account using Chrome. Open your web browser and navigate to the Shein website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so with your credentials. Once logged in, direct your attention to the My Orders section. This is where you'll find a list of all your recent purchases. To find the item you wish to return, simply scroll through the list and locate the specific delivered item that didn't quite work out for you. Once you've identified the item, click on it and look for the option labeled Request Return. Selecting this option will prompt you to choose a reason for your return. This step is important as it helps Shein to improve their products and services. Be honest with your choice. Whether it's due to size issues, defective parts, or simply a change of mind, providing accurate feedback is beneficial for everyone. After selecting your reason, you'll need to either print a return label or obtain a QR code. This will facilitate the return shipping process. If you've got access to a printer, printing the label at home can be convenient. However, if you don't have immediate access to a printer, don't worry, opting for a QR code is just as effective. Most local post offices can scan the code directly from your mobile device. With your return label or QR code ready, the next task is to pack your items securely. Make sure to use either the original packaging or secure materials to ensure it won't get damaged on its way back. Carefully attach the label if you printed one or have the QR code accessible on your phone for postal services to scan. Now all that's left is to ship the package back to Shein. Do this as soon as possible to ensure it falls within the return window. Typically, you might have a specific timeline by which the item should reach them, so plan accordingly. Once your package is en route, it's wise to keep track of the return. This can often be done through the shipping service you used. Monitoring progress will give you peace of mind that it's on its way and allow you to address any potential issues promptly. Finally, patiently wait for the refund confirmation. Shein will notify you once they've processed your return and initiated your refund. This usually takes a few days, depending on their current processing times. And there you have it. Your item's return to Shein is complete.